Hi, this video is about STReplay, Startles Replay. It's designed by Guy Parker. The idea is to be able to process any images and workflows that you've done previously that are stored in the Startles log. If you've started a workflow and had to leave it for any reason, and you want to do the exact same workflow but don't want to look for your log and work out everything, even masks, it remembers your masks, so you just replay Startles and it will process for you up to the point that you last left it. So a very handy tool, and I'll give you a little demonstration on an image I done a very fast process on yesterday. In the download file you'll get this set of files. Here is the notes and setup instructions. This is the actual execution for the program, and this is where masks and things are stored. So in the notes it's got a very good setup guide and start guide. There's demonstration in there for you to try if you want to, instructions for use. So everything you need to know is in the PDF file. So once you've followed the simple instructions to set up, and it is literally 5 minutes to set up, you're ready to use Startles Replay. And I'll show you this quick process I've done using Startles. I shall now use Replay I put a shortcut on my desktop. I'll use Replay to process the work I've done yesterday. So I need to open my log. This is the Startles I'm using at the moment, so this is the log I'll be opening, and in here it was M13 and it's got a list of the bits I've done, and I can start wherever I want and I can end the replay. So if I wanted to stop at colour before denoise, I'll just click on colour and it will stop at colour. But for this I'm going to go to the end and press play. Now this Startles Replay should completely process my image that I done yesterday. Do I want to open fits? Yes I do. That's the only thing I've got to do is prompt that, and then I can walk away, leave it, make myself a cup of tea, have a dinner, come back, and Startles will have processed my data to the point I wanted it to go to. This was a very quick process. I wasn't trying to win any awards, so literally just for the replay demonstration. During the replay I can pause it, stop it, so as you can see I'm not doing the work, my pointer's here, Replay is doing the work for me, which is quite strange seeing your work processed while you're sitting back watching it, which you can actually use as a basic process on, a basic workflow. I get the same sort of gradients in my images, so my wipe, my develop and crops. I can put all that into a simple workflow, set it off going, and get to say my second develop, not my second develop, develop my stretching after the wipe, come back and start from there. And it works on most of my images, the same beginning workflow. So while this is going, I'm actually going to go make myself a cup of tea. Right, so while I've been making the cup of tea, STReplay has been processing my work. See, I occasionally help people with processes. They send me their data. I could see the process is finished now. I'm up to where I've done yesterday, and it's exactly as I processed it. So I can process somebody else's data. I can send them the log and any masks that had been saved in the masks in the replay folder. Here we've got some masks here of a job at a process I done the other day, so I can take them masks and send them to the person and they can then use replay to replay the work. So that's what replay is all about. Very handy tool, especially if you've got a long process which you've had to leave. Replay will replay that process for you to that point. Thanks for watching.